Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to share YouTube TV. So guys, in order for you to do this, just go to tv.youtube.com, and then from here, just click on the profile icon over here. And after that, just go to settings. And from here, guys, just go ahead and click on family sharing. And then from here, you should be able to see a button manage. So guys, when you click on manage, you'll be able to see their invite a family member. So just tap on invite a family member, guys. And after that, guys, you'll be able to type in their name or their email. And then from there, just tap on the person that you want to invite and tap on send. And from there, guys, an email will be sent to them that you are inviting them to the TV, that YouTube. And from there, they have to go to their email and have to accept the invitation in order for them to have access. So, guys, just follow these steps and you'll be able to share it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.